my goodness here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a WhatsApp button to a hosting a website. So to start with, you're going to log into your hosting account. There we're going to click on the website that we want to add the WhatsApp button to. So I'm going to click on edit this website here. That will take me to the hosting a website builder. From there, we're going to look over onto the left-hand side where you have a lot of different tools. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says more. More, you should see that it has three little dots. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says integrations. I'm going to click on that. So this is where you will find the WhatsApp integration. From there, scroll down a little way and you should eventually see WhatsApp. So this is where you can let visitors message you instantly via WhatsApp using a floating chat button on your website. So to set it up, we're going to click on the little down arrow, scroll down a little way, and then you'll be prompted to put in some information. So the main information you want is your phone number, and you want to add in your country code as well. So add in your phone number and then add in a default message. So this is really useful if you're a business and you might not always be at your phone. You can add a default message that will pop up even if you don't answer yourself. So something like, hi, oh, not in that one. So in the default message box, hi, how can I help you today? So I'm just going to make sure there's a space there. So once you're happy, all you need to do is click on save, and the changes will be saved, and then I'm going to click on update website for it to be added to the website. When you've done that, you'll have your WhatsApp button on your hosting a website. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.